Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix this app cannot run on your PC on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the error this app cannot run on your PC on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. Guys, first of all, you need to check whether the application which you are running is compatible with your OS or not. For that, you just need to click on search, then type your system information. Click on system information. In this, you need to check the system type. You can say x64, means it is a 64-bit operating system. The application should be x64. If it is x86, it won't support to this operating system. You need to check the compatibility. After checking this, you need to check the compatibility mode of that application. You need to just right click on that application and click on properties. Under that you will find compatibility mode. After selecting compatibility mode, you need to select the latest operating system and click on apply, then click OK. And you have to make sure that you have to check mark that run as administrator in that option. After that, the third option is you need to turn on developer mode. For that, you just need to right click on start menu, click on settings, then search for developer mode. You can see a developer setting, just click on this. You can see the first option, developer mode, it is disabled. You just need to enable this option. Click on yes. Close this window. Then you need to search user in search menu. You can see here change user account control setting. Just click on this. You just need to decrease this. Click on OK. After doing this, you need to click on start menu again. Then type here Windows security. Click on Windows security. Click on app and browser control. In this, you can see here reputation based protection setting. Just click on this. Once you have to disable this option, check apps and files. Click on yes. Once your application will run successfully, then you can turn this on. After trying, once you have to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix this app cannot run on your PC on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.